Hello everyone, this is Pokemon 3 here, and I'm here watching a video on how to free up some space on my MacBook, because I got a lot of shit downloaded on there, and well, I try to make a video, and well, it just says it's full. Yeah, I've been looking up a couple of videos on here on YouTube. Oh, and there it is. It says your disk is almost full. Yeah, it is full. Well, almost. So I'm just gonna close that, and well, I did as it said. I deleted a couple of files, a couple of things I had downloaded onto my MacBook. So yeah, and it still says it's full, and I don't know why. I mean, look at this. How is it? How is it full? I don't get it. I mean, how is that full? Still got some space right here. See? So yeah, I mean, you can put in the comments why is it telling me that's full if it's not? Just why?